out this Cadillac here at Unique Specialty and Classics. It's a 1958 Cadillac Coupe DeVille. Meriden Taupe will be the paint color on this. Underneath the hood, 365 V8 power. Automatic transmission, nicely equipped power steering, power brakes, AC. You can see the paint shows well. Let's take a peek at this chrome and bright work up front. Of course, a great year for styling in Cadillac. A lot of chrome and bright work. Take your time looking through the still pictures in this one. They can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Let's take a look at these bias ply wide white wall tires, and it appears to be a powder coated Eldorado wheel. Take a peek down the passenger side. Look at these long panels, how nice and straight they are. No major nicks, dings, or scratches that I've noticed in the paint. Now interior, that would be taupe and black Sierra cloth with taupe metallic leather. So this car looking very much the way it would have looked back in 1958 when it rolled off the Cadillac dealer's showroom floor. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Of course, the 58 Cadillac wing. Take a look at the chrome. Rear bumper. A few extras that will be shipped along with this car. Car cover. Shop manual. Looks like a filter, some miscellaneous parts. And a rubber floor mat. So we'll put those back in the trunk where we found them. They will go along with the car. And once again, still pictures, you can be able to see the trunk. Speaking of trunk, there is the factory remote trunk release in the glove box. You're going to be able to see the underside, the interior, engine bay, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you like these big wing GM cars, especially Cadillacs, subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. The videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them, they are available to purchase online or off our showroom floor, of course. If you make it to see us in person, we always appreciate that. Take a look up and down this driver's side. Again, you can see it's not full of major nicks, dings, or scratches. And Meriden Taupe. Factory paint color on this car. Alright, so of course, lots of times had the modern equipment on these Cadillacs. This would have came with a power seat, which you're going to be able to see right there. And this would actually be the 6-way power seat. I believe factory was 4. You can see it's showing some age as far as that interior. Nothing that's going to detract from driving this car, having some fun, local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows, and look at the chrome and the bright work even on the interior of these power windows over here, of course. I noticed they did add electric wipers, and the switch is right here. So nicely done. Let's fire it up. Notice the shift pattern. Park neutral, set a reverse, and then drive low and reverse. Of course, these would be vents. There'd be a vent door that would open. Across the dash. Did notice the radio powers up. Have not had that working. Horn does. Nice chrome in the ring also. That headliner with the bows, stainless bows in it, looks good. Now I am on high idle. Till it warms up a little bit. See if we can get it to come down. Whoop, don't want to lose my focus. There we are. Let it warm up just a tad. Door closes nicely. We can always take a listen here. I'll let it warm up. We'll take a peek underneath the hood. And remember, stick around to the very end of this video. Jason will take it for a drive, show you how this car goes down the road. It's a beauty. All right, let me get this hood popped, and we're going to go ahead and take a look at this engine bay. And like I said, stick around to the very end. There's a good look at the underside of the hood. There was a few spots on the bright work up here. It shows its age a little bit, but again, overall, boy, it still shines. Looks good. Engine bay nice and clean and tidy. Again, power steering, power brakes. It appears AC may have been added after the fact. Has been converted. 134A. Tech noted though, needed a little TLC. Didn't have it blowing the coldest. So AC may need a little attention. Oh, a smooth runner. 365 Cadillac V8. Automatic trans. And mirrored and taupe. Very original looking interior colors. 1958 Cadillac Coupe DeVille. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1958 Cadillac DeVille. What'd you call this? Maybe a rose color. One of the amazing American body styles of the late 50s. Smooth running Cadillac, as most of them are. We got a little bit of traffic coming. This is an automatic on the column, which makes it easy to drive for anybody. The wipers work. There is a later model wiper switch in where the ashtray would have been. Our temperature gauge appears to be working, showing a quarter of the way up the gauge. Fuel gauge reading full. There is a large clock right here on the right. Do not see the second hand turning, but it is clock equipped, which is a nice feature to have. The speedometer appears to be working. Power windows, they are working as they should. This car stays in the middle of the lane when you let go of the wheel. It's got a good alignment. Factory horn is working. The blower motor works on this Cadillac, as do the wipers. But for a couple of rips in the middle of the seat. The seats are in really pretty good condition. Bench cloth and vinyl seats, very comfortable. The rear seat looking really good. Nice quiet runner. Brakes working as they should. Feeling as they should. Easy to steer, that power steering from Cadillac doing its job. Corners as you'd think that a 58 Cadillac would. A little bit of leaning, a little bit of luxuriousness in that corner. But that's what you want. Awesome fins on the back of this. The styling, as I was saying, is just cream of the crop from Cadillac. Learn more about this car and see all the pictures at UniqueClassicCars.com.